It's time for yet another installment of vintage electronic ceiling fan and LED bulb experimentation, and what I have for you today is Halsey REMCON V. Which, if you don't know what that is, it's a system where the receiver goes in place of your switch housing and you get this neat little 6-button remote. I'll be making a separate video on the LCD system, just because of the different ways they dim. The 6-button is variable, the LCD is stepped. I believe there's 5 or 6 different light levels with the LCD system. But anyway, the clear-cut winner for the best LED bulb to use with these is once again Philips WarmGlow, aka the best dimming LED in the history of now and forever. They turn all the way off. There's no afterglow, no strobing, no flicker. And of course that dimming range with the warm glow effect. So yeah, that's it for this video.